Welcome back to Sir Boats Yacht, where we explore some of the most remarkable yachts and sailing vessels from around the world. Today, we are diving into the story and features of the magnificent S.Y. Endeavour II, a restored J-class sailing yacht that has returned to its full glory in the Netherlands. This yacht is not just a vessel, it is a living piece of maritime history, embodying classic design, elegance, and performance in a way few modern yachts can match. Whether you are a sailing enthusiast, a yacht collector, or simply someone who appreciates beauty and craftsmanship on the water, the Endeavour II offers a fascinating glimpse into the golden age of yacht design. In this video, we will take you through its key features, design, interior spaces, performance aspects, and what makes this yacht stand out in today's luxury sailing world. The first thing to understand about the Endeavour II is that it belongs to the J-class of yachts, which were originally created to compete in the America's Cup during the 1930s. The J-class yachts are famous for the sheer elegance, long overhangs, and towering masts, all designed for both speed and style. Endeavour II perfectly captures these classic lines, with a hull that is long, slender, and gracefully curved. The restoration in the Netherlands has brought back its original charm while integrating modern techniques to ensure structural integrity and longevity. The dark polished hull contrasts beautifully with the varnished wooden decks, creating a timeless aesthetic that turns heads wherever it sails. From the bow to the stern, the yacht exudes a sense of power and sophistication, a design language that speaks both of competition and luxury. When it comes to key features, the Endeavour II does not disappoint. Its length overall stretches to a remarkable size, giving it a commanding presence on the water, while the beam provides a stable platform for both racing and cruising. The towering mast, rigged with fine stainless steel and traditional rigging lines, is not just for show. It allows the yacht to harness wind efficiently and maintain optimal balance even in varying sea conditions. The sails are crafted to precise specifications, ensuring smooth performance while respecting the original design. One of the most striking features is the attention to detail in the deck layout. Every element, from the polished brass fittings to the meticulously varnished woodwork, has been restored to perfection. The deck is not only visually stunning but also functional, with clearly organized winches, cleats, and lines that make handling the yacht an intuitive experience for seasoned sailors. The design of Endeavour II is where the true magic of a J-class yacht comes alive. Unlike modern yachts that often prioritize function over form, the design of Endeavour II balances both seamlessly. The hull is designed with overhangs that extend both forward and aft, a feature that reduces drag in the water while creating an elegant silhouette. The sheer line flows gracefully from the bow to the stern, giving the yacht a classic look that has captivated sailors for decades. The craftsmanship extends to the finer details, including the intricate woodwork on the deck and cockpit, the brass hardware that gleams in the sunlight, and the subtle curves that enhance both aesthetics and performance. This attention to detail is not just for visual appeal, it has practical implications for the yacht's sailing capabilities, stability, and handling. The Endeavour II is a vessel where every line, curve, and fitting serves a purpose, making it a masterclass in classic yacht design. Moving inside, the interior of Endeavour II is a perfect blend of luxury, functionality, and tradition. The sleeping cabins are cozy and inviting, featuring mahogany paneling, built-in berths, and nautical-inspired upholstery. Small round porthole windows allow just enough natural light to create a warm ambience while maintaining the intimate, classic feel of the space. The guest cabins are thoughtfully designed with comfort and privacy in mind, each offering carefully arranged bedding, storage compartments, and subtle brass detailing that reflects the yacht's heritage. The galley is compact yet fully functional, with polished wooden cabinetry, brass fittings, and modern appliances discreetly integrated into the classic design. It is a space that allows for practical meal preparation while maintaining the aesthetic continuity of the vessel. Every interior element, from the saloon to the chart table, demonstrates a dedication to craftsmanship and authenticity, preserving the spirit of a 1930s J-class yacht while offering modern comfort. The saloon is the heart of the yacht's interior, designed for both relaxation and socializing. It features a combination of rich wood surfaces, plush seating, and carefully placed lighting to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. The layout is functional, allowing for easy movement and interaction, while the attention to detail ensures that every element contributes to the overall aesthetic. Nautical instruments and classic design touches are subtly integrated, creating a space that feels both historic and relevant. This area is ideal for gatherings, whether you are enjoying a casual afternoon with friends or entertaining guests during a longer voyage. The balance between form and function is evident throughout the interior, making the Endeavour II not just a sailing vessel but a fully livable yacht that honors its heritage while embracing modern usability. When it comes to performance, the Endeavour II truly shines. J-class yachts were originally built for racing, and this vessel retains that spirit. The long waterline and carefully shaped hull reduce resistance, while the tall mast and sophisticated rigging allow for efficient sail handling. In lighter winds, the yacht glides smoothly, maintaining speed and stability, and in stronger conditions, it demonstrates impressive responsiveness and control. The combination of traditional design and precise restoration techniques ensures that handling remains intuitive and safe, even for crews who may not have extensive experience with classic yachts. The yacht's ballast and keel design contribute to stability, allowing for confident navigation even in challenging seas. Sailing the Endeavour II is not just about reaching a destination. It is an experience, where every gust of wind and every maneuver connects you to a legacy of maritime excellence. Another notable performance aspect is the balance between agility and comfort. While the Endeavour II is capable of competitive sailing, it is also designed to provide a smooth and comfortable ride for leisure cruising. The deck layout allows for efficient sail handling without compromising passenger comfort, and the spacious cockpit provides a secure yet open area for socializing and enjoying the view. The combination of modern materials used during the restoration with the traditional design ensures that the yacht can withstand the rigors of the sea while maintaining elegance and grace in its movement. The Endeavour II demonstrates that classic yachts can achieve both high performance and luxurious comfort without compromise. The unique selling points of the Endeavour II lie in its combination of history, craftsmanship, and versatility. As a restored J-class yacht, it is not just a vessel. It is a piece of maritime heritage that carries the legacy of one of the most iconic classes in sailing history. The meticulous restoration in the Netherlands ensures that every detail is authentic, from the polished woodwork to the precisely engineered rigging. At the same time, the yacht incorporates subtle modern upgrades to enhance safety, durability, and usability, making it suitable for contemporary sailing without losing its classic charm. The Endeavour II offers an unparalleled combination of aesthetic appeal, performance, and historical significance, making it a truly unique opportunity for collectors and sailing enthusiasts alike. Another key aspect that sets Endeavour II apart is its ability to serve multiple purposes. While it is fully capable of competitive sailing, it also functions as a luxurious cruising yacht. Its spacious interior, well-designed cabins, functional galley, and elegant saloon make extended voyages comfortable and enjoyable. The vessel's design encourages social interaction on deck and in the interior, while still providing private spaces for rest and relaxation. This versatility is part of what makes the Endeavour II so desirable, as it can satisfy the needs of both performance-focused sailors and those seeking a refined cruising experience. The yacht is not just a vessel for sailing, it is a lifestyle statement, a floating example of heritage, craftsmanship, and luxury. In conclusion, the SY Endeavour II restored in the Netherlands is a remarkable blend of history, design, and performance. Its J-class heritage ensures a timeless elegance, while the meticulous restoration brings the yacht to modern standards without sacrificing authenticity. From the graceful exterior lines to the polished interiors, from the responsive sailing performance to the comfortable accommodations, every aspect of the yacht reflects a dedication to excellence and a deep respect for maritime tradition. For anyone interested in classic yachts, the Endeavour II is a shining example of what can be achieved when historical craftsmanship meets modern restoration techniques. Whether you are drawn by its racing pedigree, its luxurious interiors, or its sheer aesthetic beauty, this yacht offers an unforgettable sailing experience and a tangible connection to the golden age of yachting. Thank you for joining us on Sir Boats Yacht to explore the SY Endeavour II. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the features, design, interiors, and performance of this classic vessel, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of extraordinary yachts from around the world. Every vessel has a story, and here at Sir Boats Yacht, we bring those stories to life with detail, passion, and clarity. Until next time, keep sailing and exploring the beauty of the seas.